Thrusters. I'm here with Marcos from Gator Wake School. We have a quick question for him because he does have an ezDrive thruster on all his boats. And he uses his boats 7 days a week. It's a 7-day operation, so they're constantly being used. We want to know, do you see any fuel efficiency or any differences with the thruster?
Yeah, it's difficult to measure exactly, but we definitely do if we're in a hurry to pick up a rider. Because if we're in a hurry, we would normally have to accelerate the boat and make a much wider turn to be able to pick them up. This way, if we're in a hurry, we just stop, put it in neutral, use the thruster to reposition the angle of the boat, and then we can drive straight back towards the rider. So we don't have to make a big turn. And with wake surf, this boat has 4,300 pounds of ballast, and the boat weighs almost 6,000 pounds. So that's a ton of weight that you're trying to push around to make a fast turn to go pick up your rider. We don't have to do that. We just leave it in neutral, reposition it with the thruster, and drive straight.
Fantastic. Another benefit of having an ezDrive thruster on your boat. If you want more information, reach out to us at ezDriveThruster.com.